Welcome to the world of uHPLCs, where precision meets reliability in high-performance liquid chromatography. As a premier supplier and wholesaler, we specialize in providing top-quality HPLC fittings and connectors to laboratories and researchers around the globe. Our product range is meticulously designed to cater to all your HPLC needs. Let's explore what makes uHPLCs stand out. Firstly, our stainless steel adapters are the epitome of durability and efficiency. Crafted for high-pressure applications, they ensure a seamless and leak-proof connection in your HPLC systems. For those seeking versatility and chemical resistance, our PEEK adapters are the perfect choice. Their robust design is ideal for a wide range of analytical and preparative applications. And there's more. Our PEEK HPLC tooling is renowned for its flexibility and precision. It's designed to minimize dead volumes and reduce band broadening, ensuring accurate and consistent results. But that's not all. Our collection also includes PEEK unions and crosses and stainless steel HPLC unions, Ts, and crosses. These components are engineered for high-pressure HPLC, offering unparalleled reliability and performance. At uHPLCs, we understand the importance of precision and quality in your research. That's why we are committed to providing products that not only meet but exceed industry standards. Join the many satisfied customers who trust uHPLCs for their HPLC fitting and connector needs. Experience the difference in quality and performance with uHPLCs. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more and explore our extensive range of HPLC solutions.